पहले तो 1 करोड़ में बता दें जो अभी टेस्ट हो रहा है. So oxidation means addition of oxygen. So if you add oxygen in anything, so this is oxidation. Example, if you take zinc and it react with oxygen, then it will form zinc oxide. You will say that this is oxidation. Okay, first thing. Second, removal of hydrogen. Example, if you have H2S and you remove hydrogen from this, hydrogen and sulfur. Okay, let's take 8. So S8 and this is 8. Correct? So removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Third thing, if you add more electronegative element, this is still oxidation. Example, if zinc is reacting with the oxygen is a highly electronegative element, so it will be zinc oxide. So by the definition of oxygen, this is oxidation. By the definition of electronegative element, this is still oxidation. Or last, removal of electropositive element. Correct? Removal of electropositive element. Okay. Example, if you take sodium sulfide, so what is happening? You remove sodium as an electropositive element. So it will be 2 sodium and sulfur. Correct? So this is oxidation. Reduction exactly ulta. So I will not go much into this. Exactly ulta. Reduction. What is this? Addition of hydrogen. There you are adding oxygen, here hydrogen. Removal of oxygen. Third, addition of electropositive element, or removal of electronegative element. Everything ulta of oxidation. Electronegative element. Okay. But according to the new definition, simplest way of oxidation is increase in the oxidation number, also known as loss of electron. It means here you have gain of electron. Okay. Example, if sodium lose electron and convert into sodium positive and 1 electron, so this is oxidation. If you take chlorine, accept 1 electron and become chlorine negative, then it will be reduction. Understood? You need one more term. What is oxidation number? Oxidation number means what is the charge on the atom or molecule in the oxidation number. What is the oxidation? Okay. So it is the what is the charge on atom or molecule. Not only oxygen, anything. Okay. Example, if zinc convert into zinc 2 positive and 2 electron. So here, if no charge is given, full molecule, neutral molecule or atom will have always 0 charge. Here 2 positive charge. Because that is 0, no? That's why we are not showing charge. So any neutral molecule, if charge is not shown, you will always consider its oxidation number will be 0. So zinc have equal number of proton and electron. So net charge 0. Zinc का हो गया आपका number 30. 288 2888 मतलब fully filled electron. Doesn't matter what is the atomic number. वो तो octet rule की बात कर रहे हो तुम. You are talking about octet rule. I'm talking about number of proton and number of electron in every neutral atom is same. Doesn't matter. सर हमें कैसे पता चलेगा ये न्यूट्रल है या नहीं? Charge is not given. इनसे चार्ज नहीं दिया वो तो क्वेश्चन में लिखा है ना. हाँ बिल्कुल. Right. Yes. So according to this oxidation number rule, in case of oxidation, there will be increase in oxidation number. oxidation number will increase in oxidation, and here oxidation number will decrease. Oxidation number decrease. Best example, let's see here. Here, chlorine have zero charge,
Yes, sir.
but here chlorine have -1.
Yes, sir.
So what is happening? Oxidation number is reducing. Correct?
Yes,
Here say, here sodium have positive charge, and here sodium zero. It is reducing. So what is this?
reduction.
Reduction. Here sulfur have two negative charge. Here zero. What is happening? Oxidation. How do we know increase in the oxidation number?
Minus 2 c 0 charge.
Hmm? Same here. Sodium from zero to convert into plus. So it is oxidation. How do I know increase in oxidation number? Any doubt?
Yes.
See, when I said see, oxidation is the loss of electron. You are losing electron. Someone is gaining. That's why you will always see oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously always. Oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously always. What is the meaning of simultaneously? Together. They occur together. It means if you are donor, you donate money to someone. There should be some gainer. Only then you can donate. Same thing. Okay. So Chandana, if an atom undergo oxidation, can we say it will cause reduction of other,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
If atom undergo oxidation, it will cause reduction of other.
This is chlorine plus E negative is equals to chlorine -1.
Huh. Example in this case, let's take sodium. Sodium undergo reduction. What can we say? Sodium is causing oxidation of sulfur.
Yes, sir.
Same way, he, sulfur undergoing oxidation. This sulfur cause reduction of the sodium.
Yes.
So anything that undergo oxidation is a reducing agent, or you can also call it as a reductant.
Anything? क्या sir?
जिसका खुद का ऑक्सीडेशन होगा, element that undergo oxidation,
Yes, sir.
it will cause reduction of other. If itself undergo oxidation, cause reduction of other molecule. Correct?
Yes.
If an element undergo reduction, तो अनिता दूसरों का ये क्या करेगा?
Oxidize करेगा.
Oxidize करेगा. So it is
Yes. Oxidizing agent.
oxidizing agent or oxidant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And through this you can calculate oxidation number of any element.
Sir, इसके examples भी लिख दो एक बार. थोड़ा सा ना confusing सा लग रहा.
हाँ, अभी पूरा चैप्टर में यही आएगा, चिंता मत करो, इसलिए तो ये बेसिक है. आगे. So what is more important is to calculate oxidation number of any element.
Yes.
How to calculate? Example, if you take H2SO4, here you have to calculate oxidation number of on sulfur. Though it is one of the easiest, you should know the basic thing of some element. Example, if you take alkali metal, Jordan, alkali metal belong to which group?
The group number 1.
So group 1.
Group 1. So all these alkali metal will always have only +1 charge, no other charge.
Yes, sir.
Chandana, alkaline earth metal belong to which group?
Second group.
Second group. So they will always have +2 charge.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second group. That's why not always true, but hydrogen is usually considered +1. Usually, if it is not given, the special case. Oxygen is considered as -2 if it is not given. I'm not saying that oxygen exists only as -2. It can have -1. It can have zero charge. It can have plus also. But In 99% case, you have to consider -2 if special situation is not given. Okay? Halogen, especially fluorine, will always have -1 charge. Mostly halogen have -1 charge.
Yes.
Okay? Example here. This overall is a neutral molecule. That's why net charge will be 0. Okay. How many atom of hydrogen we have? 2. Charge on each hydrogen +1. Sulfur, we have to calculate, let us assume X. 4 oxygen. What is the charge on each oxygen?
-2.
And total charge on all 0.
फिर total charge on 0 कैसे हुआ?
क्योंकि neutral molecule है. So -8 will go to another side, will become +8.
Yes.
And this +2 to another side -2. It is equal to +6. Okay.
सल्फर का नहीं पता है ना हमें.
हाँ, सल्फर का ही तो निकालना है. वो पूछेंगे. Example. This is very popular question. Chemistry. See, 2020 NEET question. किसका पूछा था इन्होंने? क्या सेम एग्जांपल नहीं दिया इन्होंने? So, how to calculate? Sulfur का we already know. 2 hydrogen. Sulfur we have to calculate. 4 oxygen. And how to calculate of oxygen? Potassium have +1 because first group. 2 oxygen 2x is equal to 0. So 2x will be equal to -1 and x will be equal to -1/2. In H2O2, what is the oxygen? 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 2x is equal to 0. 2x will be equal to -2, -2 cancel, x value will be -1. Okay. So what will be KO2? Oxygen. Oxygen will be -1/2. Correct. What will be the oxidation number in second? -1, third +6. Actually, it should be -1/2. There is some mistake, mistake, I guess. Okay. It will be -1/2. Okay. So next. Oxidation number not shown by the manganese in the reaction is. What is the oxidation number of manganese in this case, Sandana?
700.
+6. How do we know? Manganese we have to calculate 4 oxygen. Each oxygen -2 charge is equal to -2. Why -2? Because already it is given. So it will go to another side +8 -2 +6.
Okay.
Anita, what is the charge in KMNO in MNO4 negative? 7. 1 manganese X, 4 oxygen is equal to -1. So 8 -1 +7. Jordan, what is the charge on the manganese MnO2?
So Mn will take it as X and O2 will take it as minus plus
2
X
2s are 4.
4, yes, 8.
You guys, all the three of you should be extremely fast. Like the moment I ask question, you should answer, okay, this is the, because you have solved so many questions, you already know. This is the thing. In this case, X plus 2 2s are 4 -4 this side, other side.
So it's +4.
So +6 is there, +7 is there, +4 is there. Not shown. +2 is not shown by manganese. Correct? +3 is not shown by the B and E. Correct? Now this is asking which of the following is not a redox reaction. Redox reaction means you have to check oxidation and reduction should happen. Here zinc is 0. Here +2. Because sulfate have -2 always.
तो ये कैसे पता चलता है -2 है +2 है?
सल्फेट में -2 होता है हमेशा.
मैं पता कैसे चलता है?
देख लेते हैं कैसे पता चलेगा. तो सल्फर के ऊपर कितना चार्ज होता है? +6. 4 ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर कितना होगा? -8. व्हाट इज द नेट चार्ज?
अच्छा ये तो आपने कैलकुलेट करके देखा, वैसे आपको नहीं पता था.
प्रैक्टिस. ओके.
फिर एक बार वापस बता दो.
Sulfur have +6 charge.
हाँ जी. 2
One oxygen have -2, so 4 oxygen will have -8.
सर सल्फर का नंबर क्या होता है? चार्ज
Group 16. Group 16. So maximum 6 electrons are present in outermost shell. First 2, second 8, third 6.
11 होता है ना सल्फर का एटॉम?
16.
36.
16. Okay. So net -2. Same here. This is -2, this one plus. This is 0.
तो इनका का चार्ज हम उससे पता लगाते हैं कि बाहर जो
outermost shell में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं. तो यहाँ पे इसका ऑक्सीडेशन, this undergo oxidation, this undergo reduction, so it means this is a redox reaction.
प्लीज गो स्लो.
Next, Sandhana, is this redox reaction? This is 0. Here 3 2 just 6. -1 +5. Can we say this undergoing oxidation? How? K +1. I we have to calculate. 3 oxygen, 3 2 just 6. 0. X is equal to 6 will become plus and 1. What will be the charge on the chlorine? Same method. Instead of iodine, chlorine, we have everything in same.
सर क्लोरीन की अब हम K की वैल्यू क्या लेंगे?
+1.
+1.
K is always +1.
ये पोटेशियम है.
हाँ. And what is this undergoing oxidation or reduction? Anvita, third. Here it is 0. Anvita, fast.
Yeah, sir.
Oxidation,
Yes.
reduction.
Okay.
We know D will be the right answer because first 3 have oxidation number. Okay. How do we know that? See, 1 chlorine have -1 charge. 2 chlorine will have
-1.
So barium will have 2 positive because both are equal. Here sulfate have 2 negative charge. Here sodium will have 1 sodium 1 positive, 2 sodium 2 positive. So overall here 2 positive, here 2 negative balance.
Yes.
Same here, 2 positive, 2 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative. Is this oxidation reduction? No. Why? Because oxidation number is not changing. Here from +2 to +2, -1 to -1, +1 to +1, -2 to -2. No change in the oxidation number, no oxidation, no reduction. Jordan, what is redox couple?
रिडॉक्स हो रहे हैं पर पैरेलली और इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं.
जहाँ पे oxidation and reduction happen simultaneously.
Yes.
So both oxidized form involved from the same element? No.
No,
It
sir.
could be different element. Both reduced from same element? No.
So it's option C.
Both oxidize and reduce involve same element. This is disproportionation reaction.
Oh, okay, हाँ, same element, no.
Cathode and anode together, this
Yes.
is not possible. So
How?
what is the only possible option? C.
C only, no.
Based on the option, this is the value. Actually, this is disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. Let's see what is disproportionation reaction. We have different type of reaction. Okay. And usually there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 categories. First is combination reaction. Combination reaction tell us that two molecule will combine and form one product. Two or more reactant will form one product. How? Like hydrogen react with the chlorine, form HCl. So product is only one, reactant are two. One, two. Here product is only one type. Combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Anvita, what is decomposition reaction?
So,
Decomposition reaction means, yes,
so one compound breaks into two, right?
yes, one reactant will produce two or more product. Two or more product is known as decomposition reaction. How? Example, you take ulta, 2HCl break down into H2 and Cl2. And you had this in 10th class. Third is displacement reaction, also known as substitution reaction. Displacement or substitution reaction, where one element displaces other. Best example is this. In this reaction, what is happening in this situation? Zinc is displacing copper, correct? Initially, copper was present with the sulfate. Now, zinc is present with the sulfate. Can we say zinc displaced copper? So, this is displacement reaction, correct? In this case, what is happening? Iodine displaces chlorine. See, iodine displaces chlorine. Or you can say chlorine displaces iodine, right? Iodine displaced chlorine here. Make sense? See, what is the third reaction? Combination reaction. Why? Two reactant combine and form one product. Combination. Last, double displacement. How? This barium is replaced by the sodium because initially barium was present with the chlorine. Now sodium is present with the chlorine. So can we say this sodium came at the place of sorry, this barium came at the place of sodium? Displacement one. Second, same thing here. This chlorine displaced sulfate. Initially, sulfate was present with the sodium. Now sulfate is present with the barium. So this is known as double displacement. Two-time displacement. Any doubt? One most popular reaction I'm going to write now is disproportionation reaction. It will be always asked in your exam from any chapter. Disproportionation reaction. Chandana, what is disproportionation reaction?
So decrease in oxidation number and increase oxidation number.
No.
So like in the same element it happens.
Same element undergo oxidation as well as reduction at the same time. Same element undergo oxidation as well as reduction at the same time. Same element undergo oxidation as well as reduction at the same time.
Yes, sir.
You want to say example? Same time. Example. If you take S2O2, one hydrogen have +1, two hydrogen will have +2, and oxygen will have -2, and one oxygen have -1 charge. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If we want to calculate oxygen charge, you have two hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 2x is equal to 0. So this will go to another side, 2x will be equal to -2, x will be equal to -1. So what will be the charge on oxygen? -1. Okay. Now, if it break down into H2O and O2, what is the charge in the case of oxygen? 0. What is the charge in this case? -2. So, see, when -1 convert into -2, so there is a reduction
Yes, sir.
in the charge. This is a reduction. But same oxygen here becomes 0. From minus to 0, at increase in the charge, this is oxidation.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Disproportionation. Okay. Let me tell you some advanced thing. Advanced means not very advanced, but still according to this chapter. If any element is present in the lowest oxidation number, if any element is present in the lowest oxidation number, then only oxidation is possible. Correct? Only oxidation is possible, nothing else. How? Example, oxygen belong to group 16. Correct?
और इसमें तो -2 का नहीं चार्ज होता है।
वही तो अभी बताने वाले हैं। तो फर्स्ट शेल there is a 2 electron, second shell 6 electron.
Yes,
It can have maximum
2 electron.
+6 charge theoretically. Practically not possible, but theoretically +6. What could be the minimum charge? -2. It will gain 2 electron and become stable.
Stable. Yes.
So the minimum oxidation number is -2.
Yes.
If you already have lowest oxidation number, then from this point you can only increase, you can't decrease oxidation because it is already less. कहते हैं ना जब तुम सबसे गरीब बन जाते हो तो तुम अमीर ही बन सकते हो वहां से, उससे ज्यादा गरीबी नहीं हो सकती. If you fall down, then you can only rise up because you can't further fall down. This is minimum limit, right? Understood? If any element have maximum oxidation number, if any element have maximum oxidation number, then only decrease is possible. Correct? Only decrease is possible. So decrease means only reduction. Right?
और ये
Only
लगेगा कैसे?
क्या?
ये कैसे लगेगा?
क्या?
Maximum.
जैसे sulfur is also belong to group 16
Yes, sir.
and atomic number 16. First cell 2, second cell 8, third cell 6. Now it can have maximum +6 charge like oxygen and minimum -2. So if you already have +6, it cannot go more than that. So only reduction is possible in that case. Guys, tell me, anybody have doubt?
No, sir.
Anvita?
No, sir.
But if any element have charge other than maximum and minimum, other than maximum and minimum, then both oxidation and reduction can happen. Both reduction and oxidation can happen. Okay, example. MnO4 2 negative. Here manganese have +6 charge. If it convert into MnO4 1 negative, here manganese have +7 charge, and MnO2 +4. So you can see this manganese, which is +6,
ये maximum है.
can undergo more. This is maximum +7. So it can undergo oxidation as well as same element can undergo reduction. So this is disproportionation reaction.
Yes.
So you can assume if any element have other than the maximum and minimum value, so disproportionation reaction can happen. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
It's easy to predict whether oxidation or reduction, which reaction is happening. And there are some elements that can have fractional oxidation number. See, individual atom, if you take individual atom, always have whole number, +1, -1, like this. But if you see a molecule can have fractional charge, fractional oxidation number. Fractional oxidation number means 8/3, 2/3, like this. How? Example, if you take C3O2 and you want to calculate oxidation number of carbon, 3 carbon, X, 2 oxygen, and every oxygen have -2 charge, 0. 3x will be equal to 4. X value will be equal to 4/3.
1.7.
How is that possible? It is possible because +4 charge is distributed between 3 carbon. See, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, oxygen, oxygen. You have you have 3 carbon, 2 oxygen. You know this oxygen have -2 charge, so it will have +2. This -2, this will have +2, and this carbon does not have any charge. So you are actually calculating average. This is average oxidation number. It's not actually, in reality, there is no fraction. But when you take for full molecule, there is fraction.
Yes.
It's like if you distribute a bottle to the people, you distribute 10 bottle to 7 people. So what is the average bottle every person is getting?
Distribute 10 bottle to
10 bottle to 7 people.
10 bottle to 7 people. Okay. 0.7.
1.43 approximately,
Yes, sir.
right? Every person is getting 1.43 bottle. Make sense?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
But in reality, that does not happen. You always give full bottle. You never give 1.43 part of the bottle. Right? What does it mean? Maybe 7 people get at least one bottle, and out of these 7, maybe one person get 4 bottle. Average you are getting, right? No?
Yes, sir.
So here same average. Example, if you calculate for Br3O8, so you have 3 Br, 8 oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. What is the total number? 8.
Yes, sir.
What will be the charge on the first bromine? -2, -2, -2. Here +6 total. -2, -2. Here +4 total. -2, -2, -2. Here +6 total. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
If this is the situation, what will happen? If you calculate average charge on the bromine, it will be like 3x and 8 oxygen, so -2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 16 by 3. It will be 5 point something, right? 5.333.
Mm.
But in reality, what is happening? Two are having +6 and one is having +4 charge. Any doubt, guys?
सर जो आपने कल जैसे पीडीएफ को एनसीईआरटी वगैरह वाली थी वैसे इस चैप्टर की भी तो भी रिडॉक्स क्वेश्चन वगैरह जो है मैंने मोस्टली जो पिछले क्वेश्चन मोस्टली किया ना एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर और एनसीईआरटी के ही किया है
Best. If you are take CrO5, in reality, you will see what will be the charge on the chromium? X.
O into 5 10 minus 2
So X will be +10,
yes sir
but this is wrong. Why?
chromium के ऊपर
Because chromium belong to group 6.
yes sir
And group 6 can have maximum +6 charge.
yes sir
Maximum. So what will happen if you take chromium? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oxygen. 5.
6
It look like butterfly. Now, because of every oxygen, there is -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. So +4. And this is -2. So +6. You cannot have charge more than the what is the group charge. Example. One more example. H2S2O8. What should be the charge on the sulfur?
sulfur पे H2 minus 2 O2 16 8 होना चाहिए सर
2x is equal to 16 minus 2, 14. So x should be +7, but this is wrong. Sulfur will have +6 maximum. So sometime you will get answer like that, but you have to understand there is a maximum limit of every element. Okay.
yes
Like
sir
group, one element cannot show more than 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 like this. There is a maximum limit,
yes
maximum number of electrons. So what will happen in this situation? Example maybe sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4, oxygen negative, oxygen negative. How many? 6, oxygen 7, 8. Like this. So what will be the sulfur charge? Let's see. -2, -2, -1, -1 here. So total +6. This will be +6. Why? Because this middle oxygen have -1, -1, not -2, -2. Understood, guys?
और मैं अपने सर से ना कभी
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
लगाई नहीं 3-4 दिन हो गए निकल जाता हूँ या ऑनलाइन लगा लेता हूँ स्किप करता हूँ अगली क्लास मेरी बोरिंग सी
बट कोई बात नहीं, हम इसमें कवर अप कर लेंगे. क्वेश्चन जब और करोगे तो समझ में आएगा. Anybody have doubt? You have doubt?
No, sir.
Anybody have doubt?
सर ये जो आप करा ये इसमें क्या था ये 7 आ तो गया है कि आपने
लेकिन
कि हमें
we
disproportional
know sulfur belong to group 6.
yes sir so it will
Okay.
have 6 charge
And total number of electron in this case is 16. First shell 2, second cell 8, and third cell have maximum 6 electron for donation. Maximum. How you will get 7 electron? Okay, so you have to understand this. Last topic of this chapter.
इतना सही था.
हाँ इतना सही था. Is that key? There is a reactivity series. Before last topic, we are doing reactivity series. Okay, reactivity series tell us guys, can you see me? Like, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
सर फाइल क्रैश होगी फिर.
नहीं. Reactivity series. In reactivity series, we have to see which element is more reactive.
Yes.
Example, if you take zinc, copper, and silver, in a reactivity series, zinc is most reactive.
सर ये कैसे हमें पता चला?
एक reactivity series उससे पता चलता है. And silver is the least reactive. I'll tell you that series also. So, what we are trying to say कि most reactive element, this is the reactivity order, most reactive element can replace less reactive element, but ulta is not possible.
Less reactive element can't replace more reactive element.
Example, if you are a funny guy, है ना? You are full of energy and you have like full colorful life at the age of 18, है ना? You can become serious, like goal oriented and very calm, composed. But if a person at the age of 50 did everything and he want to enjoy the same life what you are doing at the age of 18, he can't. You can replace him, he can't replace you. है ना? Same thing is happening here. It's all about life and life. This is life. Okay. So zinc, most reactive person can replace less reactive person. जैसे अगर तुम फनी हो तो तुम किसी बोरिंग को रिप्लेस कर सकते हो, बट बोरिंग पर्सन कैन नॉट रिप्लेस यू.
Yes.
राइट.
सर एक बार बता दो ये रिएक्टिविटी सी मतलब हम
बताएंगे. मोस्ट reactive element can replace less reactive element. But ulta is not possible. But vice versa does not exist. Understood? It means if you see zinc react with the copper sulfate, so it can form zinc sulfate plus copper. But you cannot do this reaction. The copper react with the zinc sulfate and form copper sulfate and zinc. This is not possible. Why? Less reactive element cannot replace more reactive element. This is not possible.
Yes, sir.
Understood? But if copper react with silver, it can replace. Example, if copper react with the Ag2SO4, then it can replace, it can become copper sulfate and 2Ag. Because copper is more reactive than silver. That's the reason. So more reactive can replace less reactive, but ulta is not possible. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very important. And this will be explained by the reactivity series. Right. Last important topic is the balancing. How to balance an equation.
Balancing नहीं आती.
बस वही सिखा रहे हैं हम. Balancing of reaction. And this balancing I can't teach you here. I will take reaction and then we can do balancing. Simple balancing is hit and try method. Check कर लो. Both sides there are equal number of atoms. That is the simplest way to do balancing. But in redox and oxidation, you can do another method also. Okay. So let's take this part. We are done with the first question. Manganese, the second question we are done with. Redox reaction, third done. This is balancing. How to balance this equation? What should be the number of A, B, C? Okay, we want to check this. How to do this? First take chromium, Cr2O7. Correct? It react with the sulfite and it forms two Cr3 positive and sulfate 2 negative and H2. First see what is the oxidation number of important element. Here this will be plus 6. 7 to the 14. Go to another side, become plus 14. So 12 divided by 2. Here sulfur will be 3 to the 6 minus 2. 4. Here plus 3 already given. Here 4 to the 8 minus 2 plus 6. So we can see here you have reduction and here oxidation. Any doubt?
No, sir. Sir, simple में भी hit and try method में भी ऐसे ही करते हैं.
Hit and trial यहाँ पे सीधा कर सकते हैं. But hit and trial will take more time. This is more efficient and process oriented. You have to follow process and you will get the result. Now what you have to do? Here you can see for one atom there is a difference of 3.
Yes.
For 2 atom because we have 2 now. What will be the difference of electron? It will gain 6 electrons. Reduction means gain of electron. How many electrons are gained? 6 electrons. Right? How many electrons are lost here? Plus 4 to plus 6. 2 electron lost. Any doubt? Reduction means gain. So 6 electron gain and here 2 electron lost. Cross multiply.
2, 6 are 12.
So you can multiply this with 2. You can multiply this with 6.
Okay.
To make it more simpler, you can further divide by 2 because easy to do. If you divide both by 2, what will happen? It will become 1 and it will become 3. Understood? How? 1 electron, 3 electron.
Yes, sir.
Why we are multiplying by this? Because both electrons should be same. If chromium is gaining 6 electron, it means sulfur is losing 6 electron. Only then it will be balanced reaction, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are donating 10,000 rupees to someone, then somebody is getting exactly 10,000,
Yes, sir.
right? Same thing. Loss and gain should be equal. It is gaining 6 electron. It is losing 2 electron. It means there should be 3 molecules, each losing 2 electron, total 6.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. हाँ आ लिए पीछे पीछे आ लिए हाँ मैं बताऊं तेता पूछना कोने की आ लिए हाँ अरे कैश था तो कोनी भी जहाँ तो एक पूछा हुआ कि करना मुझे बता हैं फिर गांव में तभी तो ये लेकर जाएंगे सैटरडे आज मैं जरा मिलता बात करूं जो उसका कैश हो रुक जा मैं देख कर वो थोड़ी देर में बता देता हाँ same equal to the gain of electron gain is 6 loss is 2 how to equalize them multiply 2 with 3 same thing we did
Yeah, this is
हाँ minus 2
minus 2.
because 2 atom
ठीक है sir.
so if you understood this it means you will okay now check can we say this will be also 3 sulfur is balanced now check chromium have 2 here you have 2
Sir, पर उधर 1 नहीं है.
हाँ 2 1 जा 2 ही होता है और मल्टीप्लाई भी कर देंगे
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
that's positive ion also correct hydrogen on the right hand side 2 left hand side
1 2
oxygen in this
7 and 9 कैसे है sir?
7 this
Yes sir.
and here
2
one SO3 molecule have 3 and 2 3 molecule will have no,
SO3 have how many of
9
these?
9 3 3 is 9 3 3 is
9.
9
Yes sir.
so total oxygen on the left hand side 16 now check in the on the right hand side how many oxygen are there
12 12 और
so how many do we need
12 और 2 14 2 और चाहिए 4.
now oxygen are balanced sulfur are what is the number of hydrogen here 8 tell me guys any doubt so what will be a value 1 a
Yes.
value will be
9
3
3
what will be c value 8
8.
this will be again 1 this will be 3 this is 8 by 2 it means 4 done. So A B C it is asking 138 138 138 138 yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay they did same way. Okay, here this is gaining 6 electron but it is losing only 2. How to balance it? Multiply this whole thing with 3. Will you balance? Understood? This we are done with. Tell me, Anvita, which of the following is the decomposition reaction?
One second, sir. First one is not right.
Second,
PB and BB. Yeah, this one is. Think
third,
third one. No.
this is addition reaction. Add, you are adding. And fourth,
Fourth is also not. Yeah.
correct?
Hmm.
This.
समझ नहीं आया मुझे करना था
ये पूछना बताना था कि डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन मतलब किसमें ब्रेक डाउन होगा एक से मल्टीपल मॉलिक्यूल बनेंगे वन रिएक्टेंट will form multiple product here you have one reactant and 3 product
So
this is
fourth one is which
decomposition
one?
breakdown
Which proportionation?
chlorine will have 0 here chlorine will have +1 here -1 yes this is disproportionation chlorine undergo oxidation and reduction at the same time
yes sir.
This is disproportionation okay here phosphorus is 0 here phosphorus is -3 here 4 2 plus 1 so this is also disproportionation both oxidation and reduction this is understood tell me Ekam
number of carbon electron reaction
0 to -4.
carbon at the fourth group में
here it is -4 here +4
सर -4 और +4 कैसे लिया आपने
one hydrogen have +1 4 hydrogen will have +4 and it will be -4 balance one chlorine have -1 so 4 chlorine will have -4 so it should be plus
फिर आप इसको पूरा वो करके दिखा सकते हैं CH4 कैसे
carbon we have to calculate we have 4 hydrogen each have one charge is equal to 0
okay.
Second situation carbon X you have 4 chlorine every chlorine have -1 charge 0 any doubt guys Chandana
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
what is the structure of dry bromo octoxide how many bromine
3 bromine.
3 oxygen 8
8.
2 Br 3 Br we have to find bond bromine can have maximum +7 maximum
+7
because group 17 element +2 +4 +6
yes, sir.
+2 +4 +6 how many oxygen are done 6
2 more, so 2 in the center.
3 this side 3 this side
8 नहीं होने चाहिए थे
दो बीच में आ गए ना
अच्छा ठीक
bromine can have maximum 7 bond not more than that maximum +7 charge why
सर ये आपने स्ट्रक्चर्स तो कराए नहीं
हैं
स्ट्रक्चर
हैं
देखो सर अच्छा ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर
हैं
सर नहीं वो खासे नहीं होएंगे खासे सारे स्ट्रक्चर
स्ट्रक्चर नहीं करवाए what is the answer
Option B.
which of the following reaction Jordan is disproportionation reaction
सर डिस्प्रोपोर्शनल रिएक्शन का
मतलब एक ही एलिमेंट का ऑक्सीडेशन होगा और उसी का रिडक्शन होगा.
फिर first
Here +1 undergo
Plus
+2.
one
What is this,
plus
oxidation or reduction?
reduction.
reduction.
Oxidation.
Oxidation, हाँ, because it's increasing
This
state.
is reduction. So this
Reduction.
is disproportion.
Yes, sir.
Here it is +6,
हम्म.
+7 and +4.
सर उधर +7 कैसे आया?
4 2 जा 8
So
-1.
first reaction and third reaction, no? KMnO4.
Right. Here 4 2 जा 8 -2.
Right.
6. Here it manganese is +7. This is +6. This is +4. This is only reduction, no oxidation.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yes, sir.
And here again +7 +2.
No, sir, it's
So
not possible.
So what is the answer? First and second will undergo disproportion. Disproportion, same element undergo oxidation and reduction. Huh. Actually, here it was +10. What will be the answer?
+6.
पॉजिटिव का
+6.
सर क्रोमियम का तो वो ढूंढना है ना.
नहीं ढूंढना नहीं, मैक्सिमम ही +6 होता है.
अच्छा.
If you try to do ढूंढना, then 1x you have 5 oxygen.
-2 10.
It should be +10.
Yes, sir. वही कहा.
But what I said कि maximum से ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता. And maximum in case of chromium is +6.
Okay.
So what will the diagram look like? 14 and 19 both here. Butterfly-like structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and butterfly. Right? Butterfly-like structure. Two peroxo bond. One this, second this. Peroxo means peroxo. And change in the oxidation number of bromium in the corresponding different EMF. This question is not available. Calculate this, guys. Correct order of nitrogen in decreasing order of oxidation state. What is the oxidation number in SNO3?
6.
5. Why? +1 x 3 2 ja 6. This -6 will other side will become +6 and +1 will become -1.
Yes, sir.
This +2, why? Because this is -2. This 0. This chlorine is -1, hydrogen is +4. So net
9
+3. This will be -3. So answer will be 1.
Yes, sir.
Done. Guys, am I going too fast or you can understand? You are going too fast then.
It's fine, sir.
Okay.
फास्ट होते हुए रोक लेते हैं.
ऐसे पगले सर प्लीज रुक जाओ सर.
8 9.
Balancing, right? Balancing. How to do balancing? First see charge. +7, +2. So here reduction and 5 electron gain. Here 8 +3. Correct? And here +4. So oxidation by 1. So what will you do? Multiply by 5. If you multiply by 5, it will become 5 electron loss. This will be 5 electron gain. Both will be equal. Yes or no? Make sense? So what will you do? You will multiply this with 5. Make sense? 5. Now balance this. Right hand side there will be 10 carbon, manganese, balance, oxygen. For this, 5 for the 20 this. 20 this side, 20, 21. If you do this, what happens? You can do one more thing, guys, to make it easy. Whatever option you have, you can try. C2O4 2 negative and hydrogen positive will give rise to manganese 2 positive, CO2 and S2O. Okay. So what will happen in this case? I said here it is plus 7, there plus 2. So there is a gain of 5 electron. Correct? Here 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 3 here you have here plus 4. So gain of 1 electron. You will multiply this with 5. Do you have option in 5? You have 2 options. Okay. If you consider 5, okay, 16 is not possible. If you take 2 this, you have to balance. Manganese balance. Number of carbon 5 to the 10. Balance carbon. Now check oxygen. On right hand side, we have 10 to the 20 oxygen. Here we can balance later. Left hand side, 8 and 20. Total 28. On the left, right, 20. Can we say it will be 8? Oxygen balance, guys. Why? 8 to the 16. Understood? By the way, the moment you did this oxidation reduction method, 90% question was done. Why? When you know here it will be 5, and in 5 you have 2 options. Here if you know 2 to balance, then question is done. No need to do complete, but I am doing because you might get different question. If example you had 2 options exactly same, here if you had 2, then you have to go for the third option also. Understood, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ना लॉग
हाँ
एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर वाली वो पीडीएफ भी दिखा दे पर इस चैप्टर की
हाँ this question. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid is moderately oxidizing agent. Which of the following does not show oxidizing behavior? When H2SO4 is oxidizing, it means itself will undergo reduction. Reduction means less. Here plus 6, it should be less. Only then it is showing. Example here. Here it is plus 6. Here plus 4. So this is reduction. It will cause oxidation of this, right? Second, here 0, here plus 6. This will become plus 4. So this is reduction. This is oxidation. Third, here plus 6 plus 4 reduction. So this will undergo oxidation plus 4 from 0. Answer will be last. Why? Here plus 6, here also plus 6. No reduction. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Trust me, this chapter is the easiest chapter of full chemistry. Imagine we solved almost 15 questions We finished full chapter and solved 15 questions. In reality, we spent hardly 30 minutes or 45 minutes in theory. And I still remember when I was doing it for first time properly. I sat in the morning at 8 o'clock and I got up from the table at 2 o'clock, continuously 6 hours. And I was like, now anybody can ask me a question from this chapter. है ना? Because this is so interesting, you keep solving question, you will feel that you are getting all of them correct. Let's do last question of the day. Role of hydrogen peroxide in above reaction. Ozone is 0, correct? This is 0, here it is -2. Can we say ozone will undergo what?
Reduction.
Reduction. So S2O2 will undergo oxidation. If S2O2 is causing reduction of other, it is reducing agent. So it is reducing in nature. Pakka, right? So you can eliminate these two. In this situation, what is happening to the silver? +1 to 0, right? Reduction. So it is reducing agent again. Can we see the right answer?
Yes, sir.
Is the answer? Yes. Batao. It is causing reduction of other, that's why reducing it. Itself undergo oxidation. Tell me, guys, this chapter really difficult? And even I guess you never faced problem in this, Jordan.
No, sir, not much problem in this.
Like it was always easy for you, right?
Yeah.
Anvita,
Yes, sir, this one is fine.
like this one was always easy for you to understand.
Yeah, until unless they're
Because
like really tricky questions.
exactly. Chandana,
Yes, sir, this is easy.
so you never get wrong in this question, in this chapter. Trust me. In NEET, you will never get it wrong. See, even 2025. If you look at this question, simple oxidation, right? Simple oxidation state. And when you saw this question, you would have been like, oh, at least I know this perfectly.
The PDF.
Correct? Even 2025 questions were easy from this. So NEET never give tough question from the books. Chapter. Okay. Any doubt, guys?
No,
Is
sir.
this enough?
Same.
Yes, sir.
Forward.
Forward. Share.
Forward notes.
So, how many questions are there in blocks? I think you have to finish full. There are very less questions. I think 40, around 40 questions are there. What is your name?
Notes too.
हाँ, बिल्कुल
What is
अभी तो क्या क्या बातें हैं।